Bozkurt İlçe Jandarma Komutanlığı, devriye araçları, arka tarafı bahçesi. İşler gidiyor. Çok kötü. Allah'ım sen koru Rabbim.
Ay, çarpması var. Çarpacak şimdi. Ay, adam gitti. Adam gitti. Askerler, Bozkurt buradan mı at yapıyor?
Telefonlar çekmiyor.
Tamam, hiçbir şey olmayacak. Allah'ın izniyle hiçbir şey olmayacak. Sen içeri geç. İçeriye geç. Allah'ım yardım et ya.
On August 11, 2021, an extreme heavy rain caused major floods in Kastamonu in North Turkey near Black Sea and brought devastation to region. Floods hit the Black Sea coastal provinces of Bartın, Kastamonu, Sinop and Samsun, destroying homes and bridges. This is a disaster that we haven't seen for 50 or 100 years, maybe, said Agriculture and Forestry Minister Bozkurt Pakdemirli. We have recorded record rainfall in some places. Turkey's Black Sea region is frequently struck by extreme rains and flash flooding. More than 900 people were evacuated from the affected areas in the three provinces. A lot of damage is caused to power infrastructure, leaving more than 170 villages without electricity. At least 17 people lost their lives. 4 bridges had collapsed and many others were damaged, leading to traffic closures. Video footage showed the floods dragging dozens of cars and heaps of debris along the cities and streets. The heavy rainfall in the region brought chaos to northern provinces, just as authorities were declaring that some of the wildfires that had raged through southern coastal regions for 2 weeks had been brought under control. Stay safe as much as possible and follow the news about extreme flooding again.